Nice day to be out there with the pups today, but tonight, a little different story, David.
Yeah, you know, Sammy, it's going to be a lot cooler than we expected. Temperatures are going to be dropping into the 30s across inland locations. We do have a frost advisory, so definitely want to be aware of that. If you're not already aware of that, you may want to bring in some of those potted plants or anything. You may have gotten some hanging plants or anything like that, just to kind of be on the safe side, because I know those plants cost a lot of money. I know how much my wife and I spent this past week on flowers. Anyway, here's what's going on right now. Current temperatures, yeah, it's chilly out there right now, but we do have some mild spots. I mean, Millenaukett's at 50 degrees, but then you just head over to Calais, you're at 39 degrees. Caribou at 49 degrees, usually one of our colder spots, right? But not quite so cold right now. 46 in Lewiston, Bangor at 49 degrees, Portland at 49 degrees as well, and Sanford at 41 degrees. So yeah, it is chilly out there. Breeze is kind of all over the place, so it's around the horn right now, very light. We have some clear skies out there. We have high pressure over the region right now, and that's what's going to help get those temperatures down into the 30s, especially across some of the inland valleys. That's where you're going to see the coolest temperatures right now. So, hey, listen, that high pressure system is going to be in control much of the week. It's going to keep us dry. We are expecting some showers later on in the week. I'll get to that in a second. Here are your frost advisories, shaded in the blue. Western portions of the state into northern and central eastern portions of New Hampshire, and those go right through tomorrow morning. As soon as the sun comes up, yeah, the temperatures are going to jump right back up into the 40s, and we'll be on our way into warmer and milder temperatures as we go through the course of the afternoon. So tomorrow morning you're waking up, yeah, you get those cool temperatures inland. You got temperatures mostly in the 50s along the coastline. A couple of high thin clouds moving through the area. By the way, I got to let you know about this. Kind of an interesting phenomenon going on. We have wildfires over Nova Scotia. We're going to have winds coming out of the northeast. Those could bring some low-level smoke to the area, so you may smell smoke tomorrow afternoon. Something to kind of keep an eye on. We're kind of watching this evolve as it happens. It's something that we don't normally see, but yeah, it's kind of new to all of us right now, getting forest fires coming in from that way. We have been dealing with some upper-level smoke from wildfires in Alberta, Canada. Now it's coming in from the northeast. So something to kind of keep in the back burner as we go through tomorrow, no pun intended. By tomorrow evening, temperatures in the 60s, so pretty decent day tomorrow with kind of a carbon copy of today, with warm temperatures tomorrow inland and along the coastline, a little bit cooler with that maritime air moving in. So as we head into tomorrow, expecting high temperatures, upper 60s, lower 70s, inland locations right along the coastline will be in the 60s with that east-northeast wind shifting over to the southeast as we go through the afternoon with plenty of sunshine. So as we head into the middle portions of the week, like I was talking about, high pressure is going to stick around. This is one of our models that we're keeping an eye on, the GFS. It's kind of similar to the European model that I usually trust a little bit more, but for the most part, right through the end of the week will be dry. Friday morning, you'll start to see showers and thunderstorms developing northern portions of the state. Those will shift southward along a cold front as we go into the afternoon and evening hours. Friday night, those showers will be exiting, and then we'll be left with a pretty decent weekend. So that's what's happening right now, the next chance of showers. And we do need the rain. We are a little bit above average for the most part across much of the area, but you know something, we don't want to start not seeing any rain right now. So hopefully Mother Nature will start to bring some more showers into the forecast as we go through the next couple of weeks, because it's important, especially in the summer months. So right now, seas, we're expecting 2 to 3 feet tomorrow. Southeast winds 10 to 15, northeast winds shifting over to south 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 20 knots tomorrow. Here's how the 7-day forecast is shaping up. Beautiful week this week, no doubt about it. We start out in the 70s inland, and then we'll end up in the mid-80s by Thursday. Could be in the mid to upper 80s by Friday. And again, those showers will be moving in, could have the risk for some thunderstorms as well. And same thing along the coastline. We're going to knock those temperatures down just a little bit as we head towards the end of the week, but we should be pushing the 80s, getting rid of those showers early Saturday morning, and then the rest of the weekend is looking pretty decent. But again, tomorrow, keep in mind, you may be smelling that hint of smoke in the air. We'll be watching that closely. It's kind of an hour-by-hour thing, so kind of interesting things going on right now in the weather world. But for the most part, if you have this week off, it's a dry week, so that's how things are looking. Sam?
All right. Thanks so much, David.